Using vitamin C in your homemade skincare routine can be beneficial for brightening and evening out your skin tone, promoting collagen production, and protecting your skin from environmental damage. Here's a simple guide on how to incorporate vitamin C into your skincare routine. Gather your ingredients: pure vitamin C powder or crushed vitamin C tablets. L-ascorbic acid is the most effective form. A small, dark-colored glass container to store your homemade serum. Distilled water or rose water for added benefits and to help dissolve the vitamin C. Patch test. Before applying any homemade skincare product to your face, it's essential to perform a patch test to check for any adverse reactions. Apply a small amount of the mixture on your inner forearm and wait 24 hours to see if there is any irritation or allergic reaction. Create your vitamin C serum. In your small glass container, mix the vitamin C powder with distilled water or rose water. Start with a lower concentration, such as 5% vitamin C, to avoid potential irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. As your skin gets used to it, you can gradually increase the concentration, up to 20%. Storage. Vitamin C serums are sensitive to light and air, so it's crucial to store the mixture in a dark-colored glass container with an airtight lid. Keep it in the refrigerator to prolong its stability. Application. Cleanse your face thoroughly before applying the serum. Take a few drops of your homemade vitamin C serum and gently pat it onto your skin. Avoid rubbing or massaging it in. Let it absorb for a few minutes before proceeding with the rest of your skincare routine. You can use the serum once a day, preferably in the morning, to protect your skin from free radicals and oxidative stress throughout the day. Sunscreen. Vitamin C can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Therefore, it's essential to follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Additional tips. If you experience any irritation or redness, reduce the concentration of vitamin C or use it less frequently. Always use freshly prepared vitamin C serums, as they can degrade over time. Consider adding vitamin E or ferulic acid to your serum, as they can stabilize and enhance the effectiveness of vitamin C. Remember that while homemade skincare can be fun and cost-effective, commercially available vitamin C serums are formulated with stabilizers and additional ingredients that ensure better shelf life and efficacy. If you have specific skin concerns or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist before starting any new skincare routine. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.